Alright guys, welcome to my long form video. We are printing a full-size airless basketball on the H2D. Look, it could be bigger, but that's how big a basketball is. The red block, if you don't know, is a support blocker. It actually came on the file. I've downloaded from MakerWorld. I'll have the link below for the file. And I've printed before on the Ender back in the day with this PLA Splat filament. This guy bounces. You can see though, I got marks from supports. We're hoping that doesn't happen. This came, of course, as a 3MF. It's got all the settings. So when we slice it, and he has used the linear supports, I thought about changing them to some tree supports, and I thought about tweaking some numbers, but you know, I really just want to print it with how he's got it listed on the website. So we are looking at a print time of, let's get in there, as you can see, 2 days, 8 hours, 7 minutes, and we're going to use 730 grams of the filament. So we only get one shot at this. We've got one roll of the filament, and let's go over the printer and see if we can load it into the AMS, see if it likes it. All right, guys, so we've moved over to the Bambu Labs H2D. This VizDream 3D printer filament is the PLA Splat off Amazon. Let's see, there's some info somewhere. I swear there is. Oh, there it is. It's called Flexi Tough. It is specifically for printing airless basketballs. So that's awesome. It's got the temps of 220 to 240, which I've already set that up. And like a magic trick, boom, it's right out of the box. So if you haven't seen the AMS loaded before, it's super easy. I already pulled the other 3 filaments out of the way to get a better shot. All right, I'm going to go for this first slot. I hope it works. It's got more of an angle. This stuff, oh, it's super flexy. Look at this. Like, it's so soft. Even you can like squeeze it with your finger. It's crazy. So we're gonna see though if we can get it into this one, because I have it set up in the software for this one. This one is always a little pickier because of the angle. Come on, why isn't it working? Probably because I was telling you, the angle, it doesn't. All right, I'm going over to number 2. Boom. Make sure you're in and moving good. Look at that. Number 2 picked it right up. So I'm going to change that in my software, and then we're going to get to printing, and it's going to be a 2-day and 8-hour print. So give you updates as it goes. Hopefully it goes smooth. Then we'll bounce it at the end. It'll be awesome. Boom, look at that. It accepted it. We got the new temps in. And let's get over. And also, I'll be live streaming the whole print. So check out the channel, like, subscribe. Links below, not affiliates, just to help you get this if you want to print a basketball. Oh no, guys. We hadn't even made it to starting to print, and we got, I don't want that focus. Oh, there it went. We got failed to pull out filament. So we'll have to get in here. See what problems we've got. Look at that, it's jammed up. Why is it? Why are you jammed up? I don't know. We'll just hit finished and continue after loosening the spool. What the? All right. I'm gonna have to mess with this. It is not feeding very good. Let's see if I can get it working. Oh no, guys. I don't know. This might be the end of the video. I'm messing with it. I mean, look, it's free spinning. That's nice. But when I hit the continue, oh, it starts acting up. Like it's having trouble letting go of it, getting a hold of it. I know there's some people doing things to use this softer TPUs. I might have to look into it. So this might go on hold. I have to call this a fail. Sorry to get everyone excited, but I will continue, and there'll probably be a cool live print going. I might have to wait till late tonight to start it now. Wait, is it trying? Oh, nope, there it was. There's the error. All right. Well, hey, thanks for watching, and probably don't try this if you're thinking about trying it. All right, guys. So I got it out of there, and now we've got it over on the left extruder. It went in super easy, just like putting any filament in the left extruder. In the AMS, it couldn't pull it back. It would just stretch it, because this stuff is so stretchy. But we're off to the races, and I'll update you on this. This is 2 days and 8-hour print, so we're going to be at it a while. Print's also live, so you'll be able to watch that. This video will probably be posted after the live, though. But there'll be something else printing live now, so come and check us out. And don't forget to like and subscribe. All right, guys, check out the progress. Only got 1 day, 8 hours, 21 minutes left. Middle of the night. Stream has been reset. This is live streaming on YouTube, and we will keep up with the progress for this long form and see this thing bounce. I thought this was a cool shot. Well, I'm headed to bed. We'll check it out in the morning. There it is, guys. Holy crap, what do you think? This camera does not do it justice. It's freaking huge. It's the size of a basketball. A real one, yeah. It's going to be awesome. It's looking so good. It's going to dribble so good, because I'm such a good dribbler. The only dribble I'm good at is the double dribble. All right, guys, there's the basketball again. Just updating the long form video on its progress. It is going awesome. We have cleared up. It always listens. Only 1 day and 38 minutes to go. So shortly after this time tomorrow night, it'll be done. So I'll see you in the next update. Might be the one right before I go to bed. All right, guys, look how far along it's gotten. Pretty crazy. It looks amazing. We have left 19 hours and 30 minutes. No time. Of course, it's 2 in the morning. I'm headed to bed. I just restarted the stream. You can hear my 3D printer music I made. It's pretty fun. It's in the live stream. Oh yeah. All right. Well, I'm off to bed. Can't wait to see what this thing looks like when I wake up. See you then. All right, look at that. Woke up. Look how far along it is. That's crazy. Only 10 hours left, so just one more live stream, and it'll be done today. All right, as you can see, we're down to the last 30 minutes. Just gotta finish the top off, and then we'll rip on off that support. Hopefully it pops right off. It'd be cool if you just left the supports on and came off. But let's wait and find out. All right, there it is, all finished. It's huge. We gotta get it off those supports. Might be able to film that, set up the tripod, see how that goes. All right, hey, we're back. I got Lonnie on the camera, and we're gonna get the ball out because it is done. 2 days, 9 hours. Oh, I lifted right out. I've let it cool off overnight. Boom. Plate's off.
I always forget how huge that plate is.
Now, let's see.
Oh, let's see. How's that gonna go? Be careful. Oh yeah. Gotta love the Bambu supports. It's way better than the other one did.
Right? Yeah.
Yeah. The other one was a struggle right from the beginning.
A little sticky at the bottom down here. I don't want to tear the ball. Uh-oh.
It sounds crazy. Oh, hey! This is looking pretty successful.
Just keep working it around.
Boom. Almost. There we go.
All right, and just a little
Clean it
cleanup. That won't be a big deal.
All right. How's it feel?
So weird. It feels like a basketball. It's crazy. Here we go.
Oh. Ow. Oh.
The carpet's pretty bouncy. Let's take it outside.
Yep. All right, cool.
All right, we're out in the hallway. Give it a bounce. Oh.
That's cool.
That's so awesome.
That works good.
Spin it on your finger.
I can't do this.
How do you know?
I've never been able
Me either.
I don't know how you
I don't even know. Let's just look it up on YouTube. That's awesome. Look how
And
good
it's
it
pretty
bounces.
consistent.
Right?
We do need to, I can tell when I hit that little.
The
we gotta
spot.
Clean that little spot.
Pick that up. But there it is, guys. It bounces. So like and subscribe and check out the next prints.
Cool.
So cool.
Man.